Hello! Good morning, everybody. So I'm at a different store, but I just left Home Depot on Clinton Highway. I'm across the street now, so if you know where I am, then you probably know where I am. So we work a little and then we play a little, right? That's a good balance. So I am at this store, but I just left Home Depot, and we stopped in because at the Clinton Highway Home Depot, they do a lot of sales at the Pro Desk. And part of Knox REIA's mission this year, I have the Knox REIA back. Yay! It was about a 2-year hiatus, almost exactly 2 years, 21 months, so almost exactly 2 years. But I took a little break from Home Depot and I'm back. Yay! One of our missions, though, now that we are back with Knox REIA, is to help the contractors and investors who are already shopping at Home Depot make more money when they shop at Home Depot. I don't want you to do anything different than what you're already doing. And as long as you're spending $25,000 or more at Home Depot, whether it's at Clinton Highway or Chapman Highway or Morristown or Oak Ridge or Sevierville or Cedar Bluff or Millertown Pike, as long as you're spending about $25,000 or more every year at Home Depot, then I can help you get at least $500 back in a check from the Home Depot. All you got to do is sign up to be a Knox REIA member. It's a perks plan. It's $50 for the year. And as long as you spend $25,000, then you'll get a check back for at least $500. You have to be a member of Knox REIA. It's $50 for the year. And you have to let us put a little tiny code in your pro account. You do have to have a pro account, but they're free. And most people spending $25,000 a year or more at the Home Depot already have a pro account, so it's nothing weird or special or different that you have to do. You just have to let me put a code in the back end of your pro account and then give me your email address, basically is all I'm charging the $50 for, so that I can submit it to Home Depot and say, yes, they are a member of Knox REIA, and yes, they do deserve money back from spending $25,000 a year at the Home Depot. It's super easy, it's super fast, but if you're not spending $25,000, it used to be $5,000. Anybody and everybody can spend about $5,000 at Home Depot if you're doing any kind of DIY project. But especially if you're running a business, you're a contractor, or you're an investor around Knoxville, you could spend $2,000 a month at Home Depot and then get Christmas presents on gift cards to hit the $25,000. I'm just saying there are ways to hit the $25,000 a year. So if you're in that bracket, you're spending $25,000 to $500,000 at Home Depot every single year, let me know. All right, we need to get you a Knox REIA membership. You can go to joinknoxrea.com, REIA, REIA.com, joinknoxrea.com, and it's $50. That basically just handles my administration costs to get you signed up and get the code in your account. If you're not spending that, but your boss is spending that, your brother's spending that, your daddy's spending that, your wife is spending that much, whoever it is, let's get them a Knox REIA account so that I can submit their name and email and pro information to Home Depot twice a year so that they can get a check. And there's a calculation. If you spend $25,000, you're going to get at least $500 back. Not a whole lot, but every $500 counts, right? For fast math, if you spend $50,000 a year, you'll get $1,000 back. And this isn't a check that comes from the Home Depot. So if you're spending that much money at Home Depot and not getting a check every year, let me know. Go to joinknoxrea.com, $50. I'll get everything I need on my side. I'll get everything in the back end of your app so that you can get the check, and it'll be super duper easy. You spend that money at the Home Depot, and I'll help you get a check back from the Home Depot for spending money at Home Depot. It's really easy as long as you're spending $25,000 at Home Depot. If you shop at the blue store, that one over there, ooh, I don't want to show you too much. I can't help you. But as long as you're at Home Depot, I can help you get a check back every year. If you're spending $500,000, I can't do that math, but it's a bigger check, okay? It's a formula that they use. The more you spend, the more comes back to you in a check. So join KnoxREIA.com or send me a message. Give us a call at Knox REIA, 865-309-4500, and tell your friends, tell your family. Let's make some money this year, y'all. Let's get some money back while we're already spending money at the orange store. Cool? All right, y'all have a great day. I'm going to go here and play a little bit. Bye.